Hi students, in this video we will see the exercise part of English 5th lesson, that is Ice in the Forest. Dear students, before exercise part we will see warm up activity. Solve the following riddle, discuss your solution with the class. A man has a goat, a bundle of grass and a lion. He needs to take them to the other side of the river. He can only take one thing with him in the boat at a time. If he takes the lion, the goat will eat the grass. If the farmer takes the grass, the lion will eat the goat. How can he take all three to the other side? Dear students, now let's see the solution for this. The farmer will first take the goat to the other side. Then he will take the grass to the other side. But will bring back the goat. Then he will take the lion to the other side. And finally the goat. This is the solution of this riddle. Refer to the context. First one, read the given passages and answer the questions. A big block of sparkling ice appeared in the middle of the forest. One morning, the animals looked at it. It was filled with gems. The gems sparkled brightly in the sun's rays. The Lion King announced, "Whoever gets the gems out will become king after me." First one, what was filled with gems? Answer, a big block of ice was filled with gems. Second one, what did the Lion King announce? Answer, the Lion King announced that whoever got the gems out would become the king after him. Answer, the Lion King announced that whoever got the gems out would become the king after him. B. The troop of monkeys decided to break the block. They threw bananas and stones at the rate of machine guns, but they missed the target and instead ended up hurting the other animals, so they had to stop. First one, why did the monkeys throw bananas? Answer, the monkeys threw bananas to break the block. Answer, the monkeys threw bananas to break the block. Second one, why did the monkeys have to stop? Answer, monkeys had to stop because they missed the target and instead ended up hurting the other animals. Answer: monkeys had to stop because they missed the target and instead ended up hurting the other animals. See, suddenly someone said, "Look, something is moving inside the block." Something was scampering in the middle of the block right next to the gems. "It's the weasel and she has the treasure," a monkey exclaimed. The weasel emerged from the bottom end of the ice block, holding some gems. First one: who was moving inside the block? Answer: the weasel was moving inside the block. Answer: the weasel was moving inside the block. Second one: was she successful in getting the gems? Answer: yes. She was successful in getting the gems. Answer: yes, she was successful in getting the gems. Second one: match the name of the animals to their actions. In this lesson, different animals did different actions to break the ice block. So, let's match those. A. Elephant. Elephant tried using his trunk to break the ice block. So, match elephant to third one. B. Monkeys. Monkeys threw bananas and stones at the rate of machine guns. So, match this. C. Tiger. Tiger tried using his claws to make a hole through the ice. D. Weasel. Weasel dug a tunnel below the ice block. Think and discuss. Why is it better to observe and think about a problem before we begin to solve it? Hint: does thinking about the problem help you find a solution? Does discussing with others help? When we jump into solving a problem without thinking, we do not think about the consequences. Taking time to observe and think about a problem helps us understand the problem better. When we understand the problem well, we are able to solve it. If we discuss the problem with others, it helps look at the problem from another person's point of view, and this might give us a better solution to the problem. Thank you.